If you are using target CPA or target ROAS in Google Ads and your campaign is limited by budget, one change from Google could quietly make your campaigns less efficient right after August 17. And the worst part is your campaign may still look healthy while delivering fewer results for the same budget. Google has announced a major update to how target-based bid strategies work for campaigns that are limited by budget after 17th August. If you are a freelancer managing client accounts or business owner running your own Google Ads, this update can directly affect your cost per leads, your ROAS, and how you scale campaign. So in this video, I will explain exactly what is changing, who is affected, and the simple action you should take before this update goes live. Let's get into it. So what is actually changing? Today, many target CPA and target ROAS campaigns perform better than the targets you set. So let me explain it in a simple way. Imagine you are running a campaign with a target CPA that is $10, but because your campaign is limited by budget, Google only entered the most efficient auction, and as a result of this efficiency by Google, your actual CPA may end up being only $5. This is not something that Google media buyers are not well aware of this, and it sounds great, right? So what is going to happen? So Google has announced well after August 17, Google will stop doing that. Google will stop giving you conversions less than your targets that you have set in your campaign. Instead, it will optimize much more closely to the target you actually entered in the campaign settings. So if your target CPA is $10, expect your campaign to move closer to $10 CPA instead of continuing at $5. Now here is where things become really important and you need to understand. Don't panic. This update is not for every advertiser, so not everybody needs to worry about this change. This update mainly affects campaigns that meet three conditions. Number one, they are limited by budget. Number two, they use target CPA or target ROAS. And number three, they are running search, shopping, performance max, demand gen, hotel or travel campaigns. Demand gen target CPC is also included. It is not applicable to app, video view and video reach campaigns. Now you can take a sigh of relief. So before doing anything else, check your campaigns if they fall under the criteria of bidding and are limited by budget. And if this is the case, then you have to take appropriate action that I am going to explain next in this video. So here's a quick question. Have you ever increased your budget and suddenly your campaign performance became unpredictable? If your answer is yes, then this update was designed to solve exactly that problem. But it also creates a new challenge that most advertisers will realize later. First, don't think Google is automatically changing your targets or budgets. Google will act upon your instructions in the campaign setting that you have provided. That means the responsibility is all on your shoulder. I will have the link to the update in the description so you can check it out. So here is how they explain this. And again, this applies only if you are using target CPA or target ROAS bid strategy right now and the campaign is limited by budget. It does not apply on each campaign. So here are your options. If your current target CPA or target ROAS truly reflects your business goal, you can leave everything as it is. For example, if your target CPA is $10 and it meets your business goals, you don't need to change it. But if your campaign has been outperforming your target for months, you should review it carefully. So the example of this case is if your target CPA is $10 and you are getting actual CPA $5, then after 17th of August, Google will slide your actual CPA towards $10, and this is something that you have set in your campaign setting. Google only will maximize its efficiency to meet your target CPA. So now here you have an option. Google has introduced a new bid target adjustment tool that compares your current target with your recent actual performance. If you want to maintain today's efficiency, you can update your target based on your historical result. For example, if your target CPA is $10 but your campaign consistently delivers leads at $5, you may want to lower your target closer to the reality. Otherwise, after August 17, Google will naturally start moving toward the higher $10 target. Now here is something important to note. Don't jump from 10 to 5 but gradually start moving to the point. For example, one day you can move from 10 to 8 and wait for a week, then $5, and so until you reach your target price. Now if you are looking at your account and you are thinking, I am not sure whether this update is going to help or hurt my campaign. So here is something that might help. My team is currently offering free Google Ads account audits. This is not one of those automated reports generated by AI or some generic softwares. Real Google Ads experts will go through your account manually, campaign by campaign, looking for wasted spend, missed opportunities, and practical improvements that can either save you money or help you generate more revenue. It's a genuine work audit, not a sales presentation. If you qualify, the link is in the description below. It only takes about a minute to apply. And if it is not the right fit for you, that's completely fine. Let's continue. Here is something many advertisers misunderstand. Before this update, increasing budget on limited by budget campaigns could create inconsistent performance, and Google is trying to solve this problem exactly. So according to Google, this update is designed to make scaling more predictable. So once your target is aligned with your business goals, you should feel more confident increasing your budget to capture additional conversions without unexpected efficiency swings. You will not have surprises for unexpected hike in CPA or lower your ROAS. That does not mean you should blindly raise budgets. Always follow the 20% rule while scaling any campaign. Here is my detailed video on this. Go and watch it. Always monitor results over 1 or 2 conversion cycles before making another change. So here is the biggest takeaway. This is not just another Google Ads announcement. It is a change in how smart bidding interprets the target you give it. If your campaigns are limited by budget and your actual performance is much better than your target CPA or target ROAS, don't assume they will keep performing the same way after August 17. So what you need to do, review your campaigns, compare your targets with your real performance, use the bid target adjustment tool if needed, and make changes before the update affects your results. If you found this helpful, you will love my $30 million campaign checklist. It is the exact checklist I use to review and optimize Google Ads campaign before scaling them. You can download it completely free using the link in the description below. And if you want practical Google Ads strategies explained in simple language every week, subscribe to the channel because that is exactly what you will find here. I will see you in the next video.